Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name. Red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, yellow color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, the alphabets of A. Kids, now you draw B. B for ball, B for bus, and use yellow color, the alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use black color, Kids, now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D, and use green color, the alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use blue color, the alphabets of E. Kids, now draw numbers, and first we draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color, O-N-E, 1. Kids, now draw 2, the numbers of 2, and use yellow color, T-W-O, 2. Kids, now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use black color, T-H-R-W, 3. Kids, now draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use green color, F-O-U-R, 4. Kids, now draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use blue color, F-I-V-E, 5. Kids, now draw shapes, and first we draw a square, the shape of a square, and use red color, Kids, now draw circle, the shape of circle, and use yellow color, Kids, now draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use black color, It's neither heart, the shape of heart, and use green color, green color. Kids, lastly draw Easter, the shape of Easter, and use blue color. Blue color. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart, and Easter. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.